Ice picks and chainsaws. A competition for the best ice sculpture has begun, and Beth Vaughn is taking part in it this morning out at the Country Club Plaza.
Well, Naja, at 11 o'clock today, carvers just like Dan behind me will be carving ice right here on the plaza. It's on the 300 block of Nichols. So come out. It's all part of the 8th annual ice carving contest. And I want to bring in Buddy Law. This is all involved in Restaurant Week somehow. Tell me how they tie together.
Well, Restaurant Week kind of kicked off yesterday and runs for 10 days. And this is just a big celebration of all the ice carvers, letting all the chefs and young students show their talents. And it's a great time for people to come down in Kansas City and check out everything down on the plaza here. There'll be about 22 carvers down here, all throwing ice and having fun and drinking hot chocolate. So everybody should come down and check this out today.
You know, we talked about this really being, a celebration of hospitality right here in Kansas City. How is that business doing here at the end of the recession?
It's actually starting to come out of a recession in the hospitality industry. It's a slow change, but we're definitely seeing some people come out and eat in the restaurants and enjoy some of the fine food. So we're really encouraged about the way things are headed with the economy.
Excellent. Buddy, thank you. And like I mentioned, Naja, at 11 o'clock this morning, you're not going to want to miss it, right here in the 300 block of Nichols. Ice carvers just like Dan. It really is an incredible art form. From the plaza, Beth Vaughn, NBC Action News.